everyone, Crowon here. We're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Distance Checker. So let's go ahead and get it imported into our project. Let that come in. Okay. So distance checker is pretty simplistic. If you're not using occlusion calling, or even if you are and you wanted to still give a little bit more control of what's showing, what's not showing, to lower performance requirements or to help speed up loading, this is essentially what this is for. So let's get that README open. Alright, open that up. And here it's very simplistic. There's no core changes or anything like that. We just have our one usage, essentially. That's it. So all we have to do is go into here, our scripts, and put your distance checker on whatever you want to work. Now keep in mind, it's not noted in here. As far as I can tell anyways, maybe I'll add an extra note for it. You can't use this on entities, monsters, players, pets, resources, or anything like that. It's not going to work. It has to be something that's just a regular playing game object, that's a scenery object. Just because it can't be trying to do calculations, it won't be able to do them once we get rid of it. So you'll want to rely on the regular like occlusion calling for that. So the best way to use this is we're going to use it on the temple here. So let's go to the temple. And this is a big object. It uses a lot of polygons, and we don't need to load it. We're not even near it. So let's create an empty object in here. And I'm just going to call it temple root, like so. And then we're going to drop the temple onto it. All right, so here's the temple and the root. We're going to add the distance checker to the root. And we'll have this little bit here. Add the temple right onto there. Center object there. And now your interval, so how fast it's going to check this, and then how far away the player can be from it, or has to be from it before it disappears. So let's do like 50. Let's go with that, and we'll save. And we'll start a project. And as you can see, we couldn't see it from the login there because we were too far away. So you can see it now, it's fine. We're going to run this way, and it'll disappear once we hit the limitation. Now it's gone, so we don't have to worry about loading in the background for no reason. We'll come back, it comes back in. So obviously you don't want to do it when the player's like right next to it like this. It looks kind of cliche. I mean, if your game's having a lot of performance issues because you have a lot of high polygonal meshes that you need to, or polygon meshes that you really need to get those draws down, this is a good way to do that, to lower your tries into batching. But otherwise, keep it off in the distance enough where it's loading before the player sees it, in essence. So if this is a bunch of trees and stuff like that in the way and I can't see it till you're close, that makes sense. Just keep that in mind. And this is only local, so that means only the player itself on the machine is going to see it. This isn't going to happen to everyone. When this player leaves, that no one's going to see this. It's only for that person. So that is it for distance checker. So I'll get you in the next one.